In this video, I will show you how to enable the installation of unknown apps that you don't download from the official Play Store on your Samsung Galaxy A55 as well as A35. So to do that, we are going to go to our settings, then find the security and privacy. Scroll down to see more security settings. Okay, then basically click this install unknown apps. Okay, so and then here we need to select the sources of the apps. So for example, if you downloaded that app through Google Chrome, make sure this is enabled. So, and yep, make sure basically enable, for example, my files. So if you have connected your phone to a computer and uploaded it that way, and yeah, basically make sure you enable that, and that's pretty much how I do it.